You have learned the procedures. It's very easy to make this recipe at home. Trust me, you just need 1 banana, egg, fruit, and cinnamon powder to make your life happy during bedtime. So before I proceed, my dear, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have never subscribed, to invite your friends to this YouTube channel, to give a like to this video, and of course to share this video to your friends. Okay, and from that, trust me, this recipe when it comes to bedtime to make you just stay stiff, strong, and energetic during bed competition. And if you go for 2 minutes in bed, when you take this home recipe, it will help you to last longer in bed and prolong in bed, and even to make you just stay stiff and strong. So you just need to take this recipe 30 minutes before going for bedtime. Trust me, you take it 30 minutes before going for bedtime, you go for hours and hours during bed competition.